VBIT. I'm Sonia and I'm from CSE department and I'm representing the state Gujarat. Gujarat is a land of tradition. It's popular for its lifestyle and its culture. Gujaratis are found to be very loyal and generous. Thank you.
Sanjay VBIT. I'm Srikanth from ECC department and I'm representing the state Gujarat. Gujarat music is compared to the speech of angel and it is 7th place. It is considered by the state 7th place. Thank you.
So guys, our next participant is going to represent Manipuri. Let's welcome them.
Put your hands together for them.
Everyone, I'm Meghna from CSE department. I'm representing the state Manipuri, the land of India. Manipuri is famous for eye-catching jewelry and it is also famous for art and craft, which is handmade.
Kurumjari VBIT. I am Kiran from Civil. I am representing the state Manipuri. Manipuri state is where they find the beautiful dance like Rasleela and beautiful delicious foods like Kanchanbag, like where you would feel like that. So, thank you.
Basically, this tradition is different for our VBIT. This is a new thing which they have introduced from this year itself, like introducing a different states. So our next state is Kerala. Let's welcome them.
I'm Srilata from CSE. I'm representing the state Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram and the mostly spoken language in Kerala is Malayalam. The famous festival is Onam. Thank you.
Shubhasayanam VBIT. I'm Jitin representing the state Kerala. Kerala is the most gifted state with more rivers and beautiful places like
Come on guys, cheer up. వాళ్ళు మన జూనియర్స్ వాళ్ళు మనం ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాలి. టెన్షన్ పెట్టకండి వాళ్ళని, కొత్త వాళ్ళకి ఇది. సో నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి నెక్స్ట్ స్టేట్ తమిళనాడు. లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ దెమ్.
VBIT. I'm Harshita Karna from ECE department and I'm representing the state of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu and they follow a rich tradition of art forms and musical forms. Bharatanatyam is the famous art form practiced there.
Vanakkam VBIT. I'm Anurag from Civil Department. Tamil Nadu is well known for its culture and tradition. They wear simple dress, lungi and kanduva. Thank you.
Everybody's going fucking crazy.
DJ రచ్చుంది కదా, రాత్రి ఇంకా రచ్చుంటుందిలే. So, our next state is Karnataka. Let's welcome them.
Shubha Sayankala VBIT. I'm Satya from ECE department. I'm representing state Karnataka. Sir Vishweshwaraya, the great engineer, was born in Karnataka. Thank you.
Shubha Sayankala VBIT. I'm Manjrika from Civil and I'm representing the state Karnataka. It stands 8th in the race of area and 9th in population. Thank you.
So that was good. So the next up is Maharashtra. Let's welcome them.
This is Pranati from ECE. I am representing the state Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. The official language is Marathi and their folklore is Lavani. Thank you.
Namaskar VBIT. I am Bhavik from the Department of Civil Engineering. I am representing the state VBIT. I am representing the state Maharashtra. Maharashtra is known for its Lavani, the dance. Maharashtra is known for its culture, art and its folk dance. Thank you.
ఇగో మీరు అలా అరిస్తే ఇలానే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు పిల్లలు. వదిలేయండి.
సరే అని. Now put your hands together for the next two participants who are representing Madhya Pradesh. Rajasthan, yeah.
My name is Shreshti Dave from Mechanical Department and I am representing Rajasthan state. Rajasthan is known as the land of kings. Rajasthan's Desert Festival is celebrated once in a year during the winter season. Thank you.
Kamagani VBIT. I am representing the state of Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan and it is also called as Pink City. Thank you.
cocaine.
వీళ్ళ కాస్ట్యూమ్స్ అందరూ దగ్గరగా మెరిసిపోతున్నాయి కదా.
They were too good, Gada. Okay, next put your hands together for the next two participants who are representing Madhya Pradesh.
Namaskar VBIT. I'm Manisha from ECI department and I'm representing the state Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh and Bhopal is the heart of India. Thank you.
Namaskar VBIT. I'm Mano from CSE department. I'm representing Madhya Pradesh state. Madhya Pradesh is the seventh state. Madhya Pradesh is the 7th state according to the population and 9th in area. Thank you.
Nigga, wow.
అరే అప్పుడే డాన్స్ చేస్తున్నాం ఇంట్లో వెనకాల. రాత్రి డీజే రేట్ ఉంది, అక్కడ చేసుకుందాం కదా మనం. ఇప్పుడు కూల్ అవ్వండి. కూల్.